So in this question, we have 5 consecutive integers. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't know which integers, but they're 5 and they're consecutive. And the question wants to know about their mean and their median. Well, let's start with a median. In general, the median would be the middle number of a set of numbers as long as it's arranged in ascending order. Right? Now we have an odd number of numbers, so the middle number would be the third number in the list of 5 consecutive integers. Is that one of the numbers in the list? Yes, it is. It's the third number in the list. What about the mean? Well, the mean is that special data point from which all of the deviations cancel out. Okay? So if we kind of draw a horizontal line to represent the middle number, we'd have one data point right on that line. Then we'd have one data point that's 1 below, one data point that's 1 above, one data point that's 2 below, and one data point that's 2 above. Do those all cancel out? Yeah, it actually works out perfectly, and turns out that the mean is that middle number. So is the mean one of the numbers in the set? Yes, it's the middle number. And this actually goes to the third statement as well, because is the mean and the median the same number? Yes, those are the same numbers. Now, in general, this is going to be true for any evenly spaced set. So whether, in this case, the set is spaced by 1, because they're consecutive integers, but we could be talking about multiples of 7. That would also be an evenly spaced set with equal gaps of 7 among the numbers. It could be the set -5, -2, 1, 4, 7, 10. That's also an evenly spaced set. And there as well, the median and the mean would be the same number. So in this case, since all 3 statements must be true, the correct answer is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.